So with the vehicle raised and supported, you can go ahead and we're gonna spray the top of the nut and the stud with some rust penetrant. And then on the back side, we're gonna go ahead and spray the nut and bolt on the back side with rust penetrant. Now we're gonna go ahead and use an 18mm socket and remove this nut. Now we'll remove our washer and the upper bushing. Using our 22mm socket and a 1/2" drive breaker bar, I'm going to go ahead and loosen this nut. Now that that's loose, we use our ratchet to remove that. So as I'm trying to remove this nut, you can see the whole back side here spinning. So we're going to go ahead and grab some pliers and grab the back of this so we can get this nut off. Now you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the lower washer on and the lower bushing. You want to go ahead and insert that up into the sway bar. We can go ahead and push this up into the control arm here. So we're just going to go ahead and use a dead blow hammer and just bonk this up into this. We'll go ahead and get that nut started. Thread that on and tighten this up. As you tighten this up, it'll pull the stud into the control arm. We'll go ahead and snug that down. On the top, you want to go ahead and install the bushing with the flared side down. Install the washer with the cup facing down. And then go ahead and get the nut started. I'm going to go ahead and snug this down. I'm going to go ahead and torque this upper nut to 40 foot-pounds. We're going to go ahead and torque the lower nut to 125 foot-pounds.